Hello, you guys. This is Tony, and right back on the on schedule here. We got Northbound Amtrak Texas Eagle train number 22 coming in. After that, there's a BNSF train with Kansas Cesar New Mexico on there, and something else is heading my way as well, and all that going on. However, I got some things to do later on this morning after the BNSF and this other thing goes by. Hopefully, you can see that other thing on, on I-35, like around Colorado or San Marcos or something. We'll see. No promises, but you never know. Here comes Amtrak Texas Eagle train number 22, leading 58, and he's early today as well. Yeah, yeah. Early. Early. Yeah. There goes Amtrak Texas Eagle train 22 going by me this morning, and stay tuned for more stuff after that. Bye.